Hi, I'm attorney Jeremy Huss. What is disorderly conduct in Arizona? Arizona Revised Statute 13-2904 defines disorderly conduct, which can include a wide range of actions, anywhere from yelling and screaming in the presence of others to brandishing a firearm. Disorderly conduct is a misdemeanor, unless it involves a deadly weapon or dangerous instrument. In that situation, disorderly conduct is a Class 6 dangerous felony carrying mandatory prison. Disorderly conduct is also a domestic violence eligible offense. So if a person commits disorderly conduct in front of a family member or extended family, it may be charged by domestic violence. Disorderly conduct can occur in a variety of settings, including on the street, in a public place, or in a private location. Disorderly conduct includes the following conduct. 1. Engaging in fighting, violent behavior, or tumultuous conduct. 2. Making unreasonable noise. 3. Using abusive or offensive language or gestures to provoke an immediate physical response. 4. Blocking another's free passage. And 5. Recklessly handling, displaying, or discharging a deadly weapon or a dangerous instrument. Disorderly conduct is pretty simple to understand. Generally, do not disturb other people's peace and quiet. The most serious form of disorderly conduct is when it is alleged to have been committed with a weapon or a dangerous instrument. As mentioned, this offense is a Class 6 felony and carries a mandatory prison sentence if convicted at trial. The typical felony disorderly conduct case occurs when a person fires rounds into the sky. It is also felony disorderly conduct for a person to threaten to kill themselves by holding a weapon to their head or body in the presence of other people. Disorderly conduct is also a domestic violence eligible offense in Arizona. An example of this would be a person brandishing his weapon in front of family members. Potential additional penalties are imposed for a domestic violence conviction. This includes a minimum of 6 months of weekly domestic violence classes. The consequences for a disorderly conduct conviction may be severe. Disorderly conduct as a Class 1 misdemeanor carries up to 6 months jail, up to a $2,500 fine, and up to 3 years of probation. However, felony disorderly conduct, when committed with a deadly weapon or dangerous instrument, faces mandatory prison if convicted at trial. Specifically, a person faces a mandatory range of 1.5 to 3 years in prison, with a presumptive sentence of 2.25 years in prison for a felony disorderly conduct conviction. Disorderly conduct carries a wide range of ramifications, and it may be committed numerous ways. It is important for anybody charged or under investigation for disorderly conduct or felony disorderly conduct to consult with and retain an experienced criminal defense attorney, like the attorneys at Huss Law. Call us today for a free consultation.